At the top end, you're deciding between highly engineered 360s and massive 420s that emphasize silence over raw fan speed. The Be Quiet Silent Loop 3 420, EK Nucleus CR360 Lux, and NZXT Kraken Elite 360 are the standouts today. The Silent Loop 3 420 is the quiet performance champion. It uses three 140mm Silent Wings 4 fans and a redesigned 3-chamber pump that nearly eliminates high-frequency noise. In tests, it ranks among the coolest and quietest 420mm AIOs ever built, and if your case can fit it, nothing else keeps the 9800 X3D this cool while staying so quiet. EK's Nucleus CR360 Lux takes a different approach. It's a premium 360mm AIO with polished build quality, daisy-chainable Omni-Link fans, and a clean, rotatable pump top. The cooling performance is excellent, only a few degrees behind the larger 420s, but you pay for the materials and design precision. Then there's NZXT's Kraken Elite 360, the go-to for builders who want an LCD display and full software integration. It's slightly louder under load, but the customization options and NZXT cam control make it the most visually interactive cooler here. So the Be Quiet Silent Loop 3 420 earns the top premium recommendation. It delivers the best blend of noise control, cooling capacity, and long-term reliability, provided your case has the room. If you're aiming for a premium 360mm with beautiful finish and easy wiring, go for the EK Nucleus CR360 Lux. And if you want that LCD flare or deep software control, the NZXT Kraken Elite 360 is your best option.